No, no.
Hello, this is Julie Maui from Havre, Montana. It's on Havre Holiday Village Wiki, and today is Monday, October 13th, 2025. I was on my blogger and showing you guys how this little post about how there's certain very famous computers in this one right here in Montana. And interesting, you got this on this back right here. So, and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, here it is. Your new Dell computer. And thanks to
Dell.
and
I bought it from Dell.
and I forgot to sell this on Computer Center or CompUSA.
Dell.com.
And visit us on our website at www.dell.com. Let's have a look at it. So right now here is the front. You got this warning on here at the top of the screen. Here. Here's, you know, the front. Show you what the other side. And right here you got this basic information. There, and this is the back. Let's go with the other side. This is what I like. Let me show you about this one. And go right here. Where is it? Right here. This is in a new series right here. I have the thing got to purchase on eBay. It's called the Dell 24 All-in-One Computer. This is a basic type information. This is basically have to do right here. You got all kinds of programs and stuff. I will do that. It's designed for Windows 11 on here. So I'll do that review sometime in the future. Okay, and this is what looks like, and the bottom. So actually, what I'm going to do ahead right now is.
He's got my face in there.
So what I have to do right now is I want to open this up right now. So okay, so hold on, let's go for this. I cannot tell you is how the world's famous. This is it's almost like a trunk. Actually, I want to have to do more and more. So this is kind of it's almost like a trunk. Actually, I want to do more and more and more. So actually, I will take this out and you have to go see it. And now you know what computer series looks like. Okay. So here is the keyboard. So keyboard, as I could say. It's a cool keyboard from Dell. Oh, sorry, I had to go upside down. And what that it is that once you open it, you have to put the tape on it. If you say the tape is such as special clips or stuff if I have to keep it fresh. Good, very good about this one. So, oh, damn it, I'm gonna get this. Try it. Okay, I have to put the iPad down to just get the open. Hold. Okay, so I got this box open. So let me guys go and take this off a little more so I can see it that way. So here's what the Windows 11 keyboard looks like. There's the. I'll show you what the icon looks like. Introduced to a new Windows logo. And this is the best part. I love the Dell logo. And this is the best part. I love the compact mouse. And this is the best part of I love the compact mouse. And this here is just what I was going to look like. This is. And this. Oh. And okay, so I got this thing we got. So this thing has to do right here. So here is the plugin series. So let's go ahead and open this thing, bud. If you should be coming that here, this is getting kind of difficult knowing already to myself.
It's the stand, be careful.
Well, now here, yes. Good, okay? So here it is. I had to get my stands. Very clingy. So I was supposed to open this.
Just leave it.
Okay, so I got this plug-in right here. Just I can see where I used to be trying to open it, but I just have to have this thing to use. I know how to not trying to knock over it. I always basically have to do it with just because there's a few keys and stuff to like push it both. So I use this a wireless thing that I used to. So let's go ahead on the show and get some more computers. Oh man, that's good. What's he? Doesn't you smell much? Okay. Oh, my goodness. So this is the manual looks like. Once you put the computer. It's basic information and I can't wait to see that it is. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. I can't wait to see that it is. Ladies and gentlemen. Your new Dell monitor computer. Now, this thing have to do right here, which is, obviously always this we got here, which is, obviously we say nothing before. Oh man, this is hot and I'm trying to open up with one hand. Ay, ay, ay. Jackpot.
It's not gonna stand.
Jackpot. And this here is just what else to do look like. And this is extremely, extremely awesome. I love being in this and playing with this. So, when you go and hook into your computer in the dining room. Hold on, I'll be right back. Hold on. Okay, so I got the hard drive plugged in. So everything's got hooked up. And look at this thing you're looking on the back. And you thing have to do right here, which is because trying to open your batteries on here, which is obviously always use with Duracell. Okay, so and everything you have to press the power on. And you should know we did. You should have to do it. It works with Windows 11. I used to do it on the Switch. But I was in about 2 months. Here we go. Oh, so that is for about a few months. Here we go. Ah, yes.
Okay, now I have to set it up, so hold on.
Okay, there's a Dell logo. At least we have to go here. This is a loop on the screen. But this thing have to do right here. It says just a moment on here. Takes a little bit longer to go and use this corrupted Windows 11 installation.
Gosh, where's the volume?
Yeah. I love that sound.
Okay, Snoop, let me do this. Nope.
Let me go ahead and click continue English.
Here, pause it for a second.
Go ahead, click yes. Hit skip for now. And we connected in yet gear. Everything have to do right here. Hit this in here now. So Actually, I'll take this out.
You gotta pause.
It's a big part. I have to put the iPad down. Hold on. Okay, so I got the network connected. Go and click next.
Oh, screen's big. Do you think it was that big?
Ooh, it's kind of like an animation. Animation Go. It says check it for updates. It used easiest thing how to make it looks. I'll have to say goodbye forever. You mean I'll just say goodbye forever, Windows 10. In just a moment. It says keep on your PC. And everything I have to do right here. Oh, restart before you continue on here. Okay, hold on. Stay tuned for more after these words from our sponsors.